Good guys, Reese and Austin, Environmental Bros here.
Yo, yo.
We're here at the trailhead for Deer Creek.
Yeah, today we got a little through hike we planned. Gonna hike up, I guess we're Gallatin Canyon here, just outside of Bozeman where we live. Planning to go hike up Table Mountain here, and then down from Table Mountain down into the Lava Lake Basin, where hopefully take a dip, weather pending.
Yep. We got our swim trunks on, you can see.
Oh yeah.
We're good to go. Be a nice refreshing swim after a long hike out in the heat. So we'll keep up with you guys on the trail. We're a few miles into the trail here on our way to Deer Lake, and we're coming across this river crossing. Gonna have to, yeah, gonna have to walk across on this log here. Looks pretty precarious. You good, Reese? You good? All right, well that looked a little rough. Let's see how this goes. All right, we're safely across, or well, mostly safely. Reese took a bit of a spill there, but hanging in there. All right, I think he's hanging in there. And yeah, I'm sure that must have been refreshing.
Oh yeah, I'll be getting some blisters.
Just gonna keep making our way up to the lake and then onto the mountain.
So, just reached the trail junction. We're about 5 6/10 from the trailhead. It's kind of obscure, so you got to kind of look uphill here, but it looks like it cuts back up this way. And according to some information we're reading, it should weave in and up here a little bit. And I don't know, probably about a mile or so.
Yeah, we were planning on going to Deer Lake, but we honestly don't know. It could be another mile, mile and a half, and we just don't want to spend the time. And so we just decided to cut that out. You know, we don't even know what it looks like, any photos. I haven't seen any photos, so might be cool, might not, maybe come back to it another time, but I think we're just gonna go for Table and then hang out at Lava on the way back. So that's the game plan. Starting to open up a little bit to some cool mountain views.
Yeah, nice.
We're up here making our way to the top of Table Mountain. You can see Lava Lake way down there in the distance. That's where we're going. Once we summit, we're gonna make our way around this ridge back down to Lava and then on our way out. But I'll drop my lens cap. Yeah, you can see the ridge way off in the distance, the Bozeman Ridge. That's cool. And yeah, there's quite a few really cool mountains all around us. Looking back that way, more than I thought. So I think we're making the final push up. Don't think there's any higher point, so this should be it up here. Opens up quite nicely over here. Yeah, that is cool. Honestly, not too sure which mountains those are. Looks like there's a summit cairn way over here, I think. Is that it? Let's go check it out. Oh, does it? All right. Just head over here, check out these views, and then we can make our way back. Is that another cairn? Is there a lot of them? More than one? I mean, Table Mountain by the name, you know, it's a pretty flat mountain, which makes sense. So think we should be up here. I think this is the summit. All right, now we're seeing some more mountains. Wow, this is cool. Nice little hole that's been dug. You get stuck up here, protect yourself from the wind, I guess.
This looks like our high point, bro.
I think we're up here. Oh! There we go. There's that celebratory summit roar. We just made it to the summit at Table Mountain. I want to say that's Highlight that way. If I'm not mistaken. Well, there's, yeah, opposite side of the Gallatin Canyon. Cheers. Opposite side of the Gallatin Canyon. I think the mountains beyond there are Highlight. Yeah, it's a pretty unique mountain. Yeah, I'm honestly not too sure. Out by Big Sky somewhere. Definitely have to do some mountains out that way. Those look pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty unique mountain.
Alright, man, looks like we topped out right at round 7.
Cool. Nice. Yeah, we're just gonna keep making our way down this plateau and then hit lava, and we'll yeah, take our nice little dip. Looking forward to that. It's gonna be a good one. We're coming back from the summit of Table Mountain. We saw a trail leading down to the basin, which didn't seem right. We're not sure where that goes. If there is a trail, it goes all the way to the lake, but I didn't think there was. We're just kind of making our way down the ridge. It doesn't look like we're following much of a trail, just kind of carving our own path, but it's definitely manageable. And, yeah, oh yeah, more fun. We always like to keep elevation whenever possible, and yeah, much better views up here too. Yeah, nice little ridge walk. This is fun. Oh yeah, there is a trail. Oh, I bet it must. I bet the trail dips down there below this part, because I mean, not there was much climbing. There's a couple little moves, nothing too bad. But I bet the trail goes down, dips below, and then comes back up here. That must be what it is. That makes sense. I was gonna say, there's no way there's a trail going through there. That's nothing but forest. Looks like we're going to be merging on back to the trail here. Here we go. Nice. It's a fun little ridge traverse. Always fun blazing our own path. I've gotten myself into those situations far too many times, and I always question myself when it gets a little hairy, like, never gonna do this again, and then it just keeps happening. But yeah, some pretty strong type 2 fun. It's all part of the adventure.
Yeah.
Just reached trail junction right here. Been making our way down the plateau. Still got a ways to go before lava, but yeah, just gonna keep going straight. There's a sign right here and an arrow pointing that way towards somewhere called Asbestos Mine. We've never heard of it. We're kind of intrigued, honestly.
Yeah.
If we had more time, maybe we'd explore, but definitely have to check it out, maybe come back. Yeah, we're just gonna keep checking down this plateau.
It's a Lava Lake. It's a beautiful day here in June.
It's been a trek.
Quite the trek, right around 14-ish miles or so. So now we gotta reward ourselves, man.
You see way up on that a ridge over there? That's where we came from.
Yep.
Made our way all the way around.
Exactly.
To the lake, so
Send it, bro.
take a nice refreshing dip.
I bet it's chilly. Yeah. Let me. Coming in, brother.
Chilly, but it feels so good. Oh, that's refreshing.
Oh man.
We finally made it back to the trailhead at Lava Lake.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hike is finished. Nice refreshing dip in Lava Lake.
Well worth it. This will be what we did was a through hike. We planted one car at the Deer Creek Trailhead and left another one here only for us. I left my keys in the other car, so it's gonna get a little interesting.
Yeah, so we're kind of stuck here, and we're gonna just have to go around, ask someone, just hitch a ride. Let's hope we can get back to the car before dark.
Yeah, wish us luck.
Until the next summit.